What's the meaning of consignment store? Consignment store. Consignment store.
Consignment store. Consignment store. A consignment store is a retail business that sells used or second-hand goods on behalf of their owners. The store owner does not purchase the items outright but agrees to sell them and remit a percentage of the sale price back to the owner. The owner retains ownership of the items until they are sold, and if they do not sell within a certain time frame, the owner can choose to take them back. Consignment stores are popular for selling clothing, accessories, furniture, and home decor items. They offer a way for individuals to declutter and make some money from their unwanted items.